Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review on this DEWALT 20 volt cordless drill. This is model number DCD777C2. So it comes with two batteries, a battery charger, and the drill. So I have a drill bit in here, it doesn't come with that. But let's take it off. It's very easy. The battery, you're just going to slide it on. This is a 1.5 amp hour battery that it comes with, and you can charge them right here. We can go forward or reverse. We've got drill mode. And then this is in the clutch mode. So if you don't want much force on it, you can put it in clutch, but we're gonna put it in drill mode, keyless chuck. We're gonna hold it to turn the chuck forward and aft. So let's put the drill bit in there and hold it and watch the chuck come up and grab the drill bit. Then just kind of hold it, and now it's tight. Let's get a piece of wood. We've got two speeds. That's fast, 2. 1 is slow, like for metal drilling. We're gonna go to 2, which is fast. It's very powerful. Let's put it in the drill. Again, the model of the drill is DCD777. It's a 1/2 inch cordless drill driver. It does have a light on the front there when you pull the trigger, and it stays on a little bit. Battery charger, plug it into the wall, and you're going to slide the batteries on here. The light's going to flash to let you know that it's charging. When it's steady, that means it's charged. If it's alternating lights, that means the battery is either hot or cold and it needs to either cool down. The battery charger is DCD777. It's 12 or 20 volt lithium ion charger. It does come with a nice little zipper bag to put everything in and store it. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.